So look at this. This is a real book on Amazon, The Witch's Bargain, Gothic Romance, 17 chapters. I started it 9 days ago in one browser tab. No chain tools, no API keys, no plugins, and now anyone watching this can paste the URL into Amazon and check it's there. In this video, I'll walk you through every single step that got it there. Okay, real talk before we touch anything. Writing a book with AI is super easy now. You go to ChatGPT, you say, write me a gothic romance about a witch and a demon, and you'll have a 100-page document in your inbox before your coffee's cold. But here's the thing, 99% of those books are absolute garbage, because writing a book with AI is not actually the hard part. Writing a good book is, and readers are getting smart. They can smell that robotic, repetitive em-dash, every other sentence, AI fluff from a mile away. You've seen them on Amazon, generic cover, first chapter that reads like a blog post, and then a 1-star review that just says, this reads like ChatGPT. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to write a good book with AI in 2026, end-to-end, idea to live on Amazon. If you're new here, my name's Maikita. I'm one of the people building AIWriteBook. And the reason I'm making this video is honestly that I got tired of watching tutorials, chain 4 or 5 different products together, ChatGPT for pros, Canva for the cover, Publisher Rocket for keywords, Atticus for formatting, KDP for upload, and then the viewer is left with 5 accounts, 5 subscriptions, and 5 places to lose their work. We're not doing that today. One tab, one workflow, from blank project to a paperback in your reader's hands. Now, before we jump in, let me name the 3 reasons most AI books sound bad, because everything I'm about to show you is built around fixing exactly these 3 things. Number 1, generic prompts. People paste write chapter 1 into ChatGPT and ship whatever lands. There's no audience, no tone, no style sample, no continuity. Number 2, memory. The chat literally forgets your protagonist's name by chapter 4 and starts inventing new ones. And number 3, voice. Without a sample, the model averages across all the fiction it's ever seen, and you get something that reads like an Amazon listing, not a novel. Fix those 3 things, and your book will outrank 90% of AI published books on Amazon, just because the floor is so low. All right, let's actually open the tool. The tool I'm using is AIWriteBook. Plain definition, it's an end-to-end AI book writing platform that takes you from one paragraph to a finished EPUB and PDF. You can upload to Amazon, KDP, free trial, no credit card, link in the description. That's the only sales pitch in this video. Up here at the top of every page is the breadcrumb, basics, details, characters, outline, chapters, publish, export, 7 stages, that's the whole thing. 6 steps. Don't skip any of them. Each one compounds. Step 1, the idea, your title, and your 5-sentence book description. Step 2, details, audience, tone, and the optional writing style sample most people skip. Step 3, characters. Step 4, outline. Step 5, actually writing chapters with the AI editor sidebar. Step 6, cover, blurb, keywords, export, and the KDP upload. End-to-end, this is about 12 hours of focused work spread across 9 days. Anyone who tells you they wrote a good book in 15 minutes is lying about how good the book is. Step 1, hit create book. Pick fiction, standalone book, not a series. You land on book basics. Top right, there's a generate all with AI button that fills the whole stage from nothing. Useful if you're stuck, but we're going to do it ourselves, because the seed is where the writer's voice lives. Title, The Witch's Bargain. Author, language. Now the field beginners speed through and shouldn't. Book description. Mine is 8 sentences for this gothic plot, 1606 Germany, blood-packed demon, the daughter, centuries later, the basement, the rescue. You can run a tight 5 for something simpler. The rule is specific protagonist, external conflict, inner thing. This paragraph is the brief the model uses for every decision from here on out, so make it count. Genre, up to 4 chips, I'm picking gothic romance. Subgenre, dark fantasy, paranormal romance, historical fantasy, family saga, 17 chapters. Next step, 3 minutes. Step 2, details. Hit generate all details. The model reads your description and pre-fills audience, tone, plot techniques. That's a starting point, not a finish. The field that does the most work here is target audience. Generic adults who like romance gets you a generic book. Mine reads adult readers who enjoy gothic supernatural romance, dark fantasy with historical roots, and stories centered on reclaiming agency after trauma. And I tagged 3 comp authors onto the end: Sylvia Moreno Garcia, Hannah Witten, Aaron A. Craig. Naming comps makes every chapter from now on borrow their pacing and their dialogue rhythm. Tone is a chip picker. Pick 3 or 4, not 15. Dark, mysterious, emotional, uplifting. That last one matters. The book is gothic, but the arc is hopeful, and the model needs to know. Enable explicit content matters more than people realize. Pick it now, you cannot retrofit it later. The structure of the book is genuinely different underneath. For this one, I'm flipping it on. Abuse themes, violence, trauma, death scenes, morally gray. Hit next step, and this is where the most underrated screen in the whole tool lives: author writing style. The header literally says optional. 90% of people skip it. They shouldn't. Paste a chunk of your own writing in here: a previous short story, an old blog post, even a journal entry. The model uses it to calibrate the prose for the entire book. Look at this panel: same chapter, same outline, generated twice, left, no sample. Rosalie was sad. The basement was cold and dark. She wished her mother was alive. Generic, right, with the sample pasted in. Her early memories were not of lullabies sung with joyous abandon, but of hushed whispers and furtive glances. She remembered the scent of lavender and grief that always clung to Beatrice, the way her grandmother's eyes would fill with unshed tears whenever she looked at Rosalie for too long. That's the difference. A 200-word sample, 2 minutes of work. If you only do one thing differently from a typical AI book tutorial, do this: create outline. Step 3. Characters. Hit generate all characters. The model reads everything you've told it and produces your cast. For me, Rosalie the cursed protagonist, Damien her demon guardian, Alera the 1606 matriarch, Vivian the cold grandmother, Balthazar the older sister who's the real villain, plus the rest of the family. Click into Rosalie. 13 fields. 3 of them actually move book quality. Background. The model gives you a workable paragraph. What you want to add is the specific physical or emotional details that can show up later. I added traces the silver locket at her sternum when she's working something out. That gesture will surface in chapter 12 when she's facing down her uncle. That's continuity that just works. Internal conflict and external conflict make them crisp, 1 sentence each. They're the engine of the romance. And the field almost nobody fills out properly: voice and speaking style. 3 sentences. How does this person actually talk? Starts most sentences with I think, as if asking permission to exist. Trails off mid-sentence when someone interrupts. Repeats a line back as a question to make sure she heard it right. Every chapter Rosalie's in, those ticks get pulled in. She hedges, she trails off, she echoes across 17 chapters. That's what character voice is. Repetition with variation. The model can't invent it. You have to give it the seed. Repeat for the other principles about 5 minutes each. Next step. Step 4. Outline. I'll say this once. This is the highest leverage stage in the whole project. Most tutorials skip it. Don't. Hit generate first 20 chapters. The cards stream in. Click chapter 5. Look at the fields. Title, locations, plot events, hooks and twists, character interactions, additional notes, target words. The field that does the most invisible work is hooks and twists. Look at chapter 5. The demon has been protecting Rosalie since her birth. And then chapter 6. The demon's name is Damien Chattengront, sharing her family name. That second one is the punch in the gut, and the model has been seeding it across the basement chapters for 6 chapters by the time it lands. Read every hooks and twists field carefully. Those sentences anchor beats way later in the book. Additional notes is your other lever. Don't write vague vibes. Write Rosalie traces the silver locket when she's frightened. Damien first appears as a warmth, not a face. Specific props, specific lines. The model works them in. Now suppose the model gave you an outline you don't fully like. Up at the top, add it all with AI. Type your instruction. Delay Damien's full reveal until chapter 6. Check the adapt other chapters to this change box. That's the important detail. Without it, only the name chapter changes. With it on, every other chapter reflows, so the structure still works. Apply. The cards rearrange. That edit cost me 1 prompt and 30 seconds. The same edit in ChatGPT is 20 minutes of copy-paste. Continue to writing. Step 5. Chapters. Empty state in the editor. Top right, generate chapter. 7 credits. The free plan covers your first one. Click it, watch the word counter. 300, 1400, 2650, 45 seconds. Real time, not sped up. Read the opening paragraph. I think the door knows my name. That hedge was 3 sentences in the voice field 20 minutes ago. The model used it without me prompting. 3 inputs, 1 paragraph. Voice from the voice field, beat from the outlines, hooks and twists, word target from the chapter card. That's the compound. Now, the part where 90% of the actual work happens. The AI editor sidebar right side of the screen. Placeholder says ask AI to edit your chapter. Watch what I type. Tense the opening paragraph. Rosalie should be visibly afraid of the basement door, not the warmth behind it. 3 things that prompt did right. It named what to change. It said how. It gave 1 concrete reason. Submit. The edit appears highlighted in the editor. Except, look at this panel. Bad prompts on the left, good prompts on the right. Make it better. Improve this. Rewrite it. The 3 worst things you can type. They give the model nothing to optimize toward. Good prompts are the opposite. Small, concrete. Named, tense the opening. Cut 30 words. You can stack 5 small prompts and get a chapter that's measurably better. One more thing. There's an AI model selector with 3 options. Gemini follows instructions. Claude, best prose. Grok, best at explicit. For a Gothic with abuse and trauma threats, I'm picking Claude. The prose has to carry the atmosphere. Generate 2 or 3 small edits. Accept 10 minutes per chapter. 17 chapters, just under 3 hours. Step 6. Publish. First section. Book information. Title and author. Cover design. Pick a cover art style. 21 options. I'm picking illustrated. Cover aspect ratio. 3 previews. 1 to 1.6 kdp ebook. 2 to 3 kdp print. 1 to 1. I'm picking the ebook ratio. Custom image instructions. Describe the scene. A woman in a tattered elegant dress between a crumbling stone archway and the vortex of shadows. A tall demonic figure beside her. Deep violets and charcoal grays. Generate cover. The cover comes back with the title already typeset. Store metadata. Blurb is a text grayer. Browse categories and keywords are chip inputs. 7 keywords is the KDP slot count. Proceed to export. 3 buttons. EPUB for Kindle. Print ready. PDF with a trim size picker. 5x8, 5.5 by 8.5, or 6x9. DOCX, click all 3. New tab, kdp.amazon.com, create ebook. Drag the EPUB, drag the cover, paste the blurb, the keywords, the categories. Price $4.99, royalty 70%. Publish, 72-hour review. When it clears, that URL is your live Amazon listing. 12 hours of work spread over 9 days. Done. Quick recap. 6 steps. Book basics with a tight description. 5 sentences if your plot is simple. 8 if it's a century-spanning Gothic like mine. Details and that optional writing style sample, please. Characters with the voice field actually filled in. Outline with the hooks and twist field doing real work. Chapters with small surgical prompts in the AI editor sidebar. Publish, export, KDP. About 12 hours spread over 9 days. Link in the description. Free trial, first chapter free, no credit card. If you've got a half-finished manuscript, the import flow takes any of the usual file types and fills in the wizard from your draft. Tell me in the comments which step you want a deeper video on. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.